Whether you're in an R1S or an R1T, some of these hidden features aren't just clever, they're downright brilliant. Like this gear tunnel, you can use it as a seat, as a step, or even as a table to brew your morning coffee. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 hidden Rivian features that'll help you better know your R1T or R1S. And make sure to stick around until number 10, because I bet longtime owners don't even know this one. Now let's dive in. If you're already on the road and can't make that pot of coffee, what do? Well, you could have a cold brew in the gear tunnel, which is no problem. Just drop the center armrest and slide open this hidden door to grab it right from the cabin. It's the perfect spot for a cooler with snacks and drinks, easy to reach, and it keeps your cabin completely uncluttered. This is perfect for road tripping, and we typically keep our Yeti cooler in this spot just in case we need something quick and easy to grab. While you're sitting in the back seat, you might spot the USB-C chargers in the seats or near the rear screen. But what many Rivian owners miss is this. There's also a hidden 120 volt plug right below the screen. That's one of two 120 volt outlets. In the R1T, the second one's in the back right corner of the truck bed. And there's actually a third in the R1T, which is in the gear tunnel. And in the R1S, it's in the back left, right next to the onboard air compressor. Here's a quick cheat sheet to help you remember where every outlet is for all your charging needs. Just don't forget, these plugs need to be turned on through the center screen before they'll start working. Have you ever wondered how your Rivian knows when you're watching the road during enhanced highway assist? Right behind the rear view mirror, there's a small camera, keeping an eye on you to make sure you're keeping an eye on the road. It's a clever safety feature, but I'm really hoping that Rivian will eventually give us access to this camera during pet mode so we can check on our dogs while we're away. Here's a quick trick a lot of drivers miss. If you're moving under 5 miles per hour, you can switch between drive and reverse without ever touching the brake. Thanks to one pedal driving, you can perform a 3-point turn smoothly. Once you get used to it, parking and maneuvering your Rivian in tight spaces feels way more intuitive and much smoother. When you're using highway assist, most people know you can adjust your max speed with the right steering wheel buttons. But did you know that if you hold the button down, it changes by 5 miles per hour at a time, which is way quicker than tapping? Or here's even a faster move. Just accelerate to the speed that you want and then pull the right stalk towards you once. That'll set your new cruising speed instantly. Did you know that you can touch to unlock your Gen 2 Rivian while you're at home? And you might be thinking, why would I want to do that? Well, if your Rivian's parked at home and you're tired of handles constantly opening and closing, here's how to fix it. Go into your settings, tap on Vehicle, then Access, and set it to lock only. Now, with your phone in your pocket, all you have to do is walk up and swipe the little indent on the handle to unlock. Simple, subtle, and no more twitchy handles. Now, here's a quick question you probably haven't been asked. But what if someone got stuck inside the Rivian's frunk or the gear tunnel? Don't worry, Rivian thought ahead because both spaces have glow-in-the-dark emergency releases. Just press the latch and the door or hood will pop open. Safety first, and maybe don't hide in your gear tunnel during hide and seek, or maybe do. Speaking of the frunk, what if you broke your cooler, forgot it, or it's just not big enough for your beach party? No problem, just use your frunk as the cooler. Fill it with ice, food, drinks, whatever your heart desires. Am I crazy? No, there's a built-in drain plug for exactly this kind of occasion. I don't use it all the time, but knowing it's there, that's pretty functional. If you've ever had trouble finding the tailgate button on your R1S, Rivian's already one step ahead of you. The V in the Rivian logo isn't just a logo. It actually points directly to the button. Once you notice it, you'll never miss it again. Lastly, have you ever taken a look at your rear view camera? It actually has a way to clean itself by using this little sprayer here. Just use the button to clean your rear windows and it'll turn on. That way, your camera will always be clean when you're trying to back up. So there you have it, 10 hidden Rivian features that make owning an R1T or an R1S just a little bit smarter, a little more fun, and a whole lot cooler. If you learned something new, or if you've got a hidden tip that I didn't mention, drop it in the comments. Let's build the ultimate Rivian cheat sheet together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Rivian videos for more tips, news, and feature breakdowns. And don't forget, adventure is always out there.